Eki kitumire abeegi abashomire omwishemereri kukwatanisa hamwe omu kigombe kyabo ekya Kigezi College Students Association okutandikaho ehururu eyokureeba ngu ekitiinisa kyagaruka omwishemereri. We orikukurira ekigombe eki Moses Ntahoba nagira ngu batandikire okuhereza abaana abarikukorageza bursaries hamwe n'akasiimo omu bashomesa abarikutamu amaani bakaisagye abeegi kubaasa kutungura ebyowegyese omu ishemereri.
Ekyatureta aha obuhwire tukija aha twaronshinga bursary scheme tukaronshinga ebintu bishatu. Ekyokubanza kubaasa kugira ngu twataho oburyo bwo kugira ngu abaana bahike. Ekyakabiri kubaasa kuhwera abegyesa kugira ngu bagire engoga y'okubaasa kushomesa n'amaani ningashi motivation. Ekyakashatu kugira ngu tuhikirire gavumenti ebaase kuhundura ebyombeko bya butobere habwokuba ebingi bikombekwa mu bwire bw'abajungu.
Moses nayongera agira ngu kwiha omwaka oguhwire batungire ebijuma by'amaani gabo ishomero eryabire riine abaana 109 omwaka oguhwire obwa hati biine abaana abarikwingana 250 ekintu ekibari kugira ngu kiriyo nikigarura ekitiinisa ekya Kigezi College Butobere.
This year the school has close to 500 because there are 490 something students, and that is a remarkable improvement from 190 to 490 students is a very great achievement.
Bitu mukuru w'ishemereri twine Joseph Muganga nagira ngu habireho empinduka y'amaani kwiha omwaka oguhwire kushanga ngu biine abaana bingiho okukira emyaka eyenyuma kandi ngunangwa n'emico y'abaana hati eriyo nehinduka.
The discipline of students is now very exemplary, very supportive. The students' leadership is doing very well. We have very supportive teachers who are very patient in spite of the challenges.
Meya ohereze kutoranwa ahabwa municipality ya Kabale Sentaro bya Mugisha kandi omwe ahabeegi abashomiro mu ishemereri kandi omutaka nagira ngu abaana aba bakine emize eyokutoroka aha ishomero bakaza omu tawuni bakabura kushoma ari kugira ngu emishomo bine kugitamu amaani ari kugira ngu Kabale Municipal Council obuniyo yatandikireho ishemereri kandi yaza kureba ngu bagitera akabega yagaruka busya.
Shazi gahe tunavuga n'umuseto meaning the majority of them kandi bo bakaza zibarazimanya bagire bakarebetari ya especially ga master barefe kubanza babikaga beshereka but this days they don't.
We Talemwa Koreb omweji wa senior ya 5 ahamwe na Manya Keith wa senior yo kubanza bamwe ahabeegi abatungire basare bagizere ngo bahurira bashemerirwe ngo kandi bija gukora n'amaani okureba ngo baguma bine basarezi obo bari kushoma kandi babase kusinga abeegi abandi.
I feel very happy and I feel very motivated by the senior alumni, and I will work hard. I will make sure that I maintain this sponsorship because it even motivates the parents. The parent loves you even more. So I will make sure that I maintain it and I perform very well and I also become a great person like our always.
I will make sure that I always read books every time. I wake up for winter and I always go in prep. I don't miss lessons every day.
Kigezi College Butobere rikatanuka mu mwaka ogwa 2057 ombwire bw'abajungu CC Bowman niwe yabire mukuru w'ishemereri wo kubanza kandi hati ishemereri n'emyaka eri kwingana 59. Amakuru aga gasha kwa uzi atusasire omuri Kabale.